function. Okay, so we have here, so this one read as F circle G. Hindi po foga, we read it as F circle G. Let's have here an example of our f of x, which is 2x minus 3, and g of x, which is 3x plus 2. So let us see what happened. If we have here f circle g of x, it means that you go to the function f first. So instead of writing x, you write the function g of x. So let's have here the function f, which is 2. Instead of writing the variable x, we write it as the function g of x. Then we have minus 3. And then get the equivalent of our function g, which is 3x plus 2 minus 3. Nasusundan po ba? And then perform. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 2, positive 4 minus 3. So the final answer is 6x plus 1. This is F circle G. Now we go to G circle F. This time, you go to the function G. So instead of writing the variable x, we replace it by the function f of x. Nasusundan po ba? Plus 2. So get the value of our f of x, and that is 2x minus 3 plus 2. Perform. 2 times 2x, 4x, minus 2 times 3, 6, plus 2. So unlike sign, subtract, copy the sign of the bigger number. So we have negative 4 and 4x. So this will be the answer for the G circle F, and this one goes for the, okay, F circle G. See the difference? Nasusundan po ba? Now, let's say we have here two variable x. Let's say we have our h of x, which is 3x squared minus 4x. Okay, let's say we have f circle h. So again, in our f circle h, you go to function f, replace x by h of x. So now we go to our function f. So 2, instead of having our variable x, we replace it by h of x. And then we have minus 3. Nasusundan po ba? Substitute our h of x, and that will be 3x squared minus 4x minus 3. And then perform. So 2 times 3, 6x squared, 2 times 4, 8x, and then minus 3. So this will be for our f circle h. Now we go to h circle g or h circle f. What will happen?
Paano po namin susuyo?
Alin po?
Sa G circle.
Sa G?
Naging suko siya.
Saan po? G circle?
Yung 3 po.
Okay, sorry po. So this will be 6 and 9. Okay, thank you for correcting me. 7 and then this will be 6x. Nasundan po ba? Okay, now we go to the H circle F. So this time, H circle F. Okay. Check po kapag may napapansin tayo ha. Okay, now, you go to H function, replace all x since we have 2x. So replace all the variable x by f of x. Ipapasok daw natin. So now we go 3. Instead of having our x, we replace it by f of x raised to 2 minus 4 f of x. Nasusundan po ba? Okay, nasusundan. since we have two variable x so ibig sabihin yung ating f of x, ipapasok natin sa function h. And then copy the value of our f of x, which is 3 times 2x minus 3 squared minus 4 times 2x minus 3. It means multiply our 2x minus 3 by itself. Di ba tinuruan ko na kayo ng shortcut? Pero if you cannot do the shortcut, you can also have what we did in the product function. Okay, sa shortcut muna tayo. Ibig sabihin doon ng 2x minus 3 squared. Di ba kunin natin yung square ng first term? So 2x times 2x. So that will be 4x squared. 2x times 3, 6x, negative 6x, times 2, negative 12x. Tapos this one is always positive. 3 times 3, 9. Or, we can have this way. Ano daw yung product rule? It means we have 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3. Dalawang 2x minus 3. This is our factor 1 and this is our factor 2. Di ba yung ating factor 1, yung ating pong paghihiwalayin at i-multiply natin both in factor 2. Paano daw yun? So we have here 2x times the factor 2, 2x minus 3, then minus 3 times 2x minus 3. So 2x times 2x, 4x squared. Minus 2x times 3, 6x. Negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. And then you add. So we have 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Do we have the same product? Yes po. So if you can do this way, okay lang po. But if it's hard for you, dito na po tayo sa safe. Sa product of function. Nagkakaintindihan po ba? Okay, now, nakuha na natin yung product nito, which is 3 times 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 minus 4, 2x minus 3. And then, 1 by 1, multiply everything inside by 3. The same with this one, everything inside by negative 4. And then you add. So we have here 3 times 4x squared is 12x squared. 3 times negative 12x, negative 36x. 3 times positive 9, positive 27. Negative 4 times 2x, negative 8x. Put under negative 36x. So we have negative 8x. Para tayong sum and difference. Nagkakaintindihan po ba? And then, negative 4 times negative 3, positive 12. And then you add. So we have like sign, copy the sign, add the number. Like sign, copy the sign, add the number, copy the variable. And then pag walang kasama, just bring down. So this will be the answer for H circle F. Nasusundan po ba?
Yes.
Okay. So if this one is the case, all you have to do is get the first two muna. So gagawin po muna natin yung G circle F. Just like what we did kanina. Pupunta tayo sa function G, papalitan natin yung X ng function F of X. And then, we substitute. Okay, perform. So that will be, and this is only for the G circle F. Para po pumunta tayo sa circle H, okay, yung sagot daw natin sa G circle F, papalitan naman natin yung X ng function H. So, instead of writing X, we replace it by H of X. Nasusundan po ba?
Yes.
Then, substitute natin. So, we have here 4x squared plus 1 plus 7. So, that will be negative 24x squared negative 6 plus 7. So, that will be negative 24x squared plus 1. So, this will be our G, circle F, circle H. Tandaan na, kahit pag-apatan yan, you go to the first two, i-circle natin yung pangatlo, tapos i-circle natin yung pang-apat. Pero in your test naman is up to 3 lang. Nagkakaintindihan ba?